Hello, my name is Trinity Bivalacqua, and I'm the Director of Urologic Oncology at the Brady Urological Institute here at Johns Hopkins. These are unprecedented times we are living in, and we want to make sure you know that the current coronavirus pandemic will not affect the care of anyone who has an urgent urologic condition. We are continuing to see existing patients as well as new patients that need our care. At the Brady Urological Institute, we are committed to taking care of patients with a wide variety of urologic diseases, both benign and malignant. We have a team of people in place that are working to provide exceptional urologic care and treatment to our patients, regardless of the current situation we are all facing. As it relates to urologic cancers, we have developed a systems approach to treat for each type of cancer that integrates multiple disciplines, including medical and radiation oncology. For anyone who doesn't need to come into our clinics in person, we highly recommend a virtual visit through our telemedicine service. Patients and proxies with MyChart can use their smartphone, tablet, or computer for real-time video visits. For new patients without MyChart, you will be activated for an account to enable the telemedicine service. Your physician will work with you to let you know if your appointment qualifies for a virtual visit. To learn more about our telemedicine services, please visit our website online. I want to assure you that here at the Johns Hopkins Hospital and the Brady Urological Institute, we have been preparing for this unfortunate situation for many weeks. Our facilities are safe, and should you need urgent care, you and your family should know that we can and will still take care of you using the proper safety equipment and protocols. We hope everyone continues to stay safe by protecting yourself and your loved ones from coronavirus infection by maintaining social distance and washing your hands frequently. For more information on the Brady Urological Institute, please visit our website online. And for more information about coronavirus resources from Johns Hopkins, please visit our Coronavirus Resources Center online as well. Thank you very much.